Hello students. So I am telling you about the chapter number 1, integers. So I have told you about the integers. I have told you about the natural numbers, the whole numbers and the integers. But now I am telling you about the properties. So there are 3 properties of integers. I have told you in the notes what I have given you that there are 3 properties in this chapter. Integers. Now the first property is commutative property. The second property is associative property. And the third property is distributive property. So what is the commutative property? Commutative property means if we add the 2 integers just like a and b, the 2 integers a and b, then what we will get, what the result we will get, the same result we will get if we inverse the integers. I mean to say a plus b, the result we will get is equal to, will be the same, is equal to b plus a. If we add 2 plus 3, so we will get 5. Now if we add by reversing order 3 plus 2, so we will get 5. Hence, if we add the 2 integers a plus b, so what the result we get, the same result we will get if we reverse the integers b plus a. So this is called our commutative property. Now the second property is associative property. What is called associative property? Associative property, in this property we write the 3 integers a, b, c and is equal to the right hand side also a plus b plus c. So what we have to do? We have to, first of all we have to add a and b, which integers are in the bracket. Then we have to add c integer. So the result come before you. Now the result would be the same, because if we add b plus c first, the integers which are in the bracket, and then after that we will add the integer a. So the result would be the same as you have got in the LHS. So this is called our associative property. A plus b, first of all you have to add a plus b, then you have to add c. The result you will get would be the same as you will add b plus c first of all, and then you have to add a. So the result would be the same, LHS and RHS. Now this is called our associative property. Now the third number is distributive property. So what is called distributive property? What do you mean about the distributive property? So I am telling you about the distributive property. This property means if I am writing the 3 integers just like in this manner, a, and there is no sign, you are watching no sign here, it means that there is only multiplication sign. So here we are watching multiplication sign. So a multiply and in the bracket b plus c. So how would you break this bracket? You will break this bracket by multiplying a by b. So the result would be ab. Now plus, and you will add a by c. So the result would be ac. Hence by this method we will open this property. So this is our distributive law. There are only 3 kinds of law. There are only 3 kinds of property what we have to use in this chapter number 1, integer. Okay? Thank you.